Take out the butter in a bowl in advance to soften up a little bit and mix it with a spatula. Add the sugar and make sure to mix everything together. Then beat in the egg and vanilla seed or vanilla paste. Next, sift the flour with the baking powder and fold in. Don't be bothered if the mixture looks a bit split. In few seconds of mixing, the flour will start hydrating and it will become a nice gooey mixture. When combined, stir in the chocolate chips and sliced nuts. At this point, you might want to switch the spatula for your hands and take out the mixture to roll it and cut it to make the cookies. To roll the dough in a cylinder shape, you have to stretch some plastic wrap on your counter and shape the dough into a log about 6 inches or 15 centimeters long and 2 inches or 5 centimeters in diameter. Or a good alternative is to actually measure about 70 grams balls, roll them out nicely and place them to bake like this. To make the perfect roll, tie one side and then just gently push out to the tight side of the mixture, and you are ready to tie the opposite side as well to make this a proper log. And now you're ready to leave this wrapped in the fridge to chill for about 40 minutes. In this time, preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Once your dough is chilled, you can remove the plastic wrap and cut the dough into half-inch or 1 centimeter slices. Put them cookies on a lined baking sheet with parchment paper, leaving room for the cookies to spread out a little bit. And they're ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven. This is how you can make a double chocolate chip cookie with almonds. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please press the like button. Please follow our channel and comment down below so we can grow and show you more different recipes.